stamping friends, I'm Karina with karinascreations.com, and I want to show you how to make this fun stair stepper card using just the paper trimmer and the Bear Hugs stamp set, which is super cute. So I stamped my bear on watercolor paper and punched it out with the matching Bear Hugs framelits, and use the Shine On Specialty Designer paper. Now if you get the Bear Hug stamp set, the framelits, and the Shine On Specialty paper, you will earn a free celebration item. And I'm using the Metallics glitter tape. I love the glitter tape that's available now. You get 3 colors as a celebration bonus. It's free with the $60 order, and I'll be posting on my blog in a couple days 8 things you can do with the Metallics glitter tape. So anyway, let's get started and I'll show you the basics of the stair stepper card. So the first thing you need to do is get a piece of cardstock. I'm using Soft Sky cardstock cut at 4 1/4 inches by 11 inches. And you need to line up the left-hand edge at 3/4 of an inch. And then I am going to cut from the 1 inch mark all the way down to the 6 1/2 inch mark. And then I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So again, I'm lining up the left hand edge up at 3 1/4 of an inch, and then I'm running my cutting blade down from 1 inch down to 6 1/2 inches. Now the rest is using the scoring blade. So we're going to start with this edge first. So you want the one that has the cut edges on it, not this side over here. And we're going to line this up at 1 inch. And this time we're actually not scoring all the way through. We're just going to score from the top edge to the inside line that we just cut. And then we also want to do this bottom part as well. So I'll skip the middle and line it up down here and down. So you can see I've just sort of made a scoring line here and here at 1 inch, and then the next scoring line we do the same thing at 2 inches. So from the top to the center cut line, and then the bottom to the cut line again. So we've got 1 inch, 2 inch, and then we move it to 6 1/2 inches. And now this time we need one more score line, but this time we're going to be scoring the inside of the card, so between the 2 cut lines. And we are going to score that at 5 1/2 inches. And that's basically it. Watch what happens. I'll just move my paper trimmer away. And we're going to make a mountain fold with the bottom line that we scored. This one is going to be a valley fold. This inside line is going to be a mountain fold. And then the back 2 are going to be mountain folds as well. So what happens when you go to put it together is this. And I'll just grab my bone folder to make some crisp lines, and that is basically a stair stepper card. So it's very easy to make. You just need to remember the measurements. And I'll put all the other details about how to make this cute little bear fish card. And like I said, when you use the watercolor paper, I use my aqua painter and colored the fish. I colored them so it looks like a walleye. I'm originally from Flin Flon, Manitoba, so I grew up fishing quite a bit with my dad. So this is going to be one of his cards. Anyway, I hope you will give this card a try and have fun with it. Happy stamping!